Top 5 Ease Your Inner Campfire Chef. The Best S'mores Makers Revealed. We all know the best part of any camping trip is roasting marshmallows over a fire and indulging in a gooey treat. These convenient home s'mores makers allow you and your family to get a delicious chocolate-filled fix anytime you like, without having to sleep in a tent or worry about swatting mosquitoes. With electric and canned fuel options, there's one for every preference. Elite Gourmet ECT 3100 Long Slot 4-Slice Toaster. The AHU Under Cabinet Paper Towel Holder.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers. These are our metal classic 2 and 4 slice toasters. They're brushed stainless steel on the outside and have black accents. They look great in almost any style kitchen that you have. There's lots of great features. First we have the bagel feature, because when you're going to toast a bagel, you're going to toast it at a much longer period of time than you would do any other type of bread. So make sure you use that. Then we have our defrost function, which is meant to be used for anything that was previously frozen. And then we have our reheat function. Reheat is really great, especially if you forgot that your toast is done and you're doing something else. Use the reheat function, and what happens is it warms your bread, but it doesn't actually retoast it. And then the next one is the cancel function. So you can cancel at any point during the toasting cycle. The other thing is, there's a removable crumb tray in the back, which you should always remember to check every once in a while, because you can get some nice sized crumbs in there, and this should be emptied. Has a 1.5-inch wide slot, and also has a really nice convenient cord wrap. So today all we're going to do is stick our nice thick slices of bread in here. I'm going to put it on 4. We're going to press it down, and we're going to make toast. And then with that, I'm going to show you our 4-slice model up a little closer. So the nice thing about this is actually 2 totally independent toasters. So if one person in the family wants to have an English muffin and the other person wants to have a frozen waffle.
Nostalgia Tabletop Indoor Electric S'mores Maker. Cuisinart Fondue Pot.
To the Cuisinart. And here is our Cuisinart electric fondue set. It's a 3-core capacity, 1,000 watts of power, and you can do many things in this pot, from melting cheese, as well as chocolate, and also heating up oil and cooking some raw meat, steaks, and chicken. It comes with a stainless steel fork ring, 8 stainless steel fondue forks, which are color-coded, as you can see. There's no eating off of somebody else's fork. You can use several recipes, as I said earlier: chocolate fondue, cheese fondue, or make meats. I'm actually going to take a piece of bread, stick it in the cheese fondue, and see how nice and cheesy and gooey that is. It also has 8 settings here on the adjustable control, temperature control. And it's a great, great appliance to have if you're entertaining. So there you have it, Cuisinart's electric fondue set.
Visit our site reviewparks.com, link in the description box, like, comment.